Good morning. This is Rhonda Olson from Woman Shine. Let your true colours shine through and express the real you. Today I thought I'd give you a little tip to help you remain calm and centered in this time of transition with the coming out of isolation with the COVID virus. It's in itself quite a challenge. So today we're going to be looking at this. In this background you can see the symbol of the Om. The Om is a Sanskrit word and it's a mantra that helps us bring us back into our center. And it's pronounced with ah, oo, and the is pronounced with the tongue just behind the roof of the top teeth, that little fleshy part there. And I'm going to sing for you a mantra called Surya Gayatri. And just listen to this, and you can sing along with me if you like, if you know this mantra, and just feel how it takes you through your whole body to tune the instrument of your body so that you can live a better life today. Om Bhuhu Om Bhuvaha Om Suvaha Om Mahaha Om Janaha Om Tapaha Om Satyam Tat Savitu Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayata. So I hope this mantra helps you center, calm yourself. And this is Rhonda Olson from Woman Shine saying goodbye for now.